Let's paint a Labubu artist version. So my niece asked me to buy her a Labubu. Labubu. I had a better idea. Let me show you how I painted this Labubu in the galaxy on a glass. I figured out that there's this whole universe of Labubu, and it's a huge, huge deal. She wanted me to buy her one. I thought, you know what, I can do better than that. Anyone can buy you a Labubu. I'm gonna make one for you. Let's paint it together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the process, check my other videos. And please, subscribe, hit the like button, leave comments. If you're like me and have never heard of Labubu before, leave a comment and tell me when exactly did you know about it. And if you're familiar with it, if you're a huge fan, if you are feeling offended right now by me not knowing about it, tell me which character I should be painting next. But you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood. Run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. Look how you make me. Check the other videos for more inspiration. For other ideas, I use different tools and different textures to paint and create. And I love to get inspired. I love to try new things. So if you have any idea, leave it in the comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what was the weirdest tool that you have seen anyone using to paint. Thank you for being here.